I'm not Messi. I'm not Messi. I'm not gonna come back and make the team win and win.
I'm not Messi. I cannot take the ball and go alone. If the team play good, we play good.
Just pass the ball. Yeah, we are not Messi. No one is Messi.
You know why Messi is the best player I ever seen in my life? Because he's a competitor. He's an animal. And now we pass the ball and we take a look. When you pass the ball, attack them. You have to score those guys. Messi pass the ball and goal and she smell the goal.
Of course, Messi. Messi. Then there's no doubt about that.
Ronaldinho ou Messi?
Messi.
Et alors, la dernière question, Messi ou Jérémy Doku?
Messi.
Ouais.
Ouais, Messi. Messi.
Messi c'est le GOAT?
Oui, oui, Messi c'est le goal. Ouais.
Who is the best footballer of all time?
Messi. Say best. Best.
Best.